MBA, this and that. No. I would further add, which is probably may not be acceptable right away, right now at this forum, because of your perhaps limited knowledge, but this is very true. And next 10 years you will see this, what I'm going to say, will be 100% true. And now government has already started that move, and not many people is trying to understand that. And this is the concept of the startups. I mean, you can't think that you cannot be a startup. What is a startup? A startup is you have an idea in your mind, innovation. Just try to make the innovation to implement it in the society. So innovation are of two types. One is we call disruptive innovation, another we call incremental innovation. Incremental innovation have a lot of scope. You can have this bottle, you can make another bottles of different class, different size, different capacity. But disruptive innovation is something you make a bottle which is of a kind that is of a different type. First time you discovered it, that's a disruptive innovation. You have some disruption in that innovation, you got some new things out of it. So this kind of innovation. So if you have this, and I'm sure you have, I have been visiting for a couple of weeks in different schools and seeing the models in the school students, the brilliant mind. Brilliant mind. I want such students to in my lab. I just host one delegation from Iran, Tehran, and that delegation approached me to be visited. I called to the Vice Chancellor, he permitted, they came, visited, we hosted them. And believe me, what the delegation is all about. Delegation was a class 3 to class 10 students. Can you imagine? Class 3 to class 10, and I rate the class 3rd students among the best. The way she was talking, the way she was asking questions, the way she was discussing. She talked me about the stem cell technology. I was amazed. None of my students talk about the stem cell technology. Even Aligarh, nobody is doing a stem cell technology. Even Delhi, with a few left about stem cell technology, which is a very future science for the medical field of medical form. So this is how they are trying to develop the students. And these students are being kept in as extracurricular activity in the scientific parts. They are built. We have in India, but they are defunct. And then the ideas were taken. So these are the young brains. They have a lot of silly ideas which can be in the future innovative ideas. We have a limited limitation thing. We have a lot of things around us. We have a lot of risk factors. And a lot of bondage, scared. We are afraid of giving some ideas. Because we are so conscious about their other things. These kids are not. Just give them chance, freedom. And they come up with some idea. And these ideas should be incubated. Now government has already started the incubators. And these incubators in IITs, in JNU, and some other universities, we are also trying to do here to some incubator, but not yet being done. So if these ideas are incubated in these incubators, then you can develop a big scientist from your school level. This concept has to be initiated, I think, from the school. I think SC school is one of the, I rate at the top of the school. So, because I have been from here, not because of it, but this is, I think, really it is one of the best school among the, rated one of the best school in the university school. So, I think you should start with this initiative ideas to bring some top out of 9, 10, just 5 students, not more than 5 students. And try to make them interact with some scientists. Call some scientists from other institutions, IITs and other, and let's see their capabilities, what they can bring out some new idea, and try to incubate them right away, just after plus 2, and encourage them to have their own startups, their own business, rather than you are seeking for them employee, be employee some company. You are in a position to give them prize with others. आपको नौकरी तलाश करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको नौकरी देने की जरूरत है. You can give the jobs to others rather than you are seeking for the jobs in other companies and universities. And I'm sure you can do it. And if you have any kind of help in this regard, though I'm not at all university level involved in that, but from my own personal interest, I can give you costing, I can give you some ideas, I can give you some links where in India you can start your incubators. You can start your startup. Actually, you can start thinking right away. This is the big. Recently, I have started by my own group. One of my 3 MSc students, unfortunately, we are guiding or teaching the masters or PhD students, not at this level. So we have very mature students. They are already fed up with some lot of ideas. So we can't get a good idea. So I encourage them. I've been working on this project for the last 6 years. Now I'm successful at least to mold them and to convince these young students that you don't go for PhD. कुछ नहीं रखा PhD में. Just have your own startup, your own company. अमेरिका में जाने कितने लोग हैं? I know many people. They have approached me. They have given up their jobs, assistant professors, and they have started their own company. They are CEOs and presidents of the company, and they are running a wonderful job. So that way you can contribute to your country, you will contribute to yourself, to your family, and your community. So I think these are the things that I would like to share with you. And I'm a simple teacher, so I cannot give you anything. But what I can give you is you are free to come my laboratory to visit anytime. I can show you, visit you, train you in some laboratories techniques. I can give you some ideas. I can visit you the university central facility where we have 5 high-end equipments, microscopy, X-ray, crystallography systems, structure analysis. There's a lot of it. You may not get an idea of that, but you can at least have an exposure of these things, facilities, and that way you can have a better future scientist, a future researcher. With this, I thank you very much for all principals and other teachers and everybody and the students to be here with me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspirational and motivating words. Definitely, discipline is the most important trait of everyone's career. Our students have definitely learned a lot from your advices. Thank you so much. After this, I request our principal, Mr. Faisal Hafiz, to honor our chief guest with memento. So we have Professor Shahab Fazal between us, and I would like to call Mr. Tanveer Hussain to pinning up the badge. Now I request our principal, Mr. Faisal Hafiz, to honor our chief guest with memento. Please, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Mrs. Nosheen Fatima to render a vote of thanks.
Assalamu alaikum to all. I wish to extend a vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing team and the STS school to all those who have contributed to make the Science Fest a grand success. It's a privilege and honor to extend my thanks to the chief guest, Professor Asadullah Khan sir, Coordinator, Interdisciplinary Biotechnology Unit, for sparing his valuable time to be with us and motivate the students. Thank you very much.
Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest and other distinguished guests and judges to take a round of the science exhibition.